start with that breaking news. This brush fire just exploded to 25,000 acres in Logan County. It is 0% contained at this hour, and nearly 1,000 people are on alert that they may have to evacuate. Let's get right out to Denver 7's Jacqueline Allen, who just arrived at the scene there. Jacqueline?
That's right, and you can see the flames behind me right here. These are hay bales burning in this field as I'm standing here right now. There's a farm just on the other side of that where there's a barn and a home. Now we're hearing from the owner of that farm that firefighters are telling him that it is not going to threaten his home, that it's just going to burn those bales. But there are spots like this all over the county. I just confirmed from Logan County emergency officials that 3 homes have burned in this fire, and they are still fighting hot spots all over the county. He says they have 0% containment, more than 25,000 acres. And he tells me, Logan County Emergency Management tells me that there are mandatory evacuations going on right now in the town of Haxton. We're trying to get that confirmed in that county as well. Voluntary evacuations right now in the town of Fleming. They called 900 homes earlier today in the east side of Logan County to tell them also that there were pre-evacuation orders in that area, so voluntary evacuations as well. They had to evacuate 2 schools earlier today, Haxton and Fleming, and parents went and picked up kids early from a 3rd school. So this has been a very serious situation. You can tell we've got high winds here, and take a look at this grass. I don't know if you can hear this, but that's tender, dry grass right now. So none of that helps. We're talking when we get a flame like what we're seeing behind me, you get these high winds, the tender, dry conditions, and it can be very dangerous, especially out here when there's nothing to stop these flames. We'll keep you posted on the very latest. Reporting live, Jacqueline Allen, Denver 7.
Jacqueline.